Today, we're going to take a look at a great product for cleaning the air when working around welding fumes, sanding dust, overspray, even allergens. The 550 CFM Air Scrubber from VEVOR. When in use, the dirty air enters here and clean air exits here. It can refresh a room as large as 2,150 cubic feet of fumes, odors, allergens, dust, pet smell, and pollen. Inside, there's a pre-filter, a carbon filter, and a H13 HEPA filter. The scrubber features an hour meter, variable speed, overheat protection, a filter change indicator, and 120 volt outlets for daisy chaining up to 3 of them. To use it, simply plug it in and turn it on. And again, it's variable speed. It can be used as an air scrubber like it's set up right now, or a negative air machine vented to the outside, emitting only clean air. And we'll try it with some welding fumes and see how it does. You can see the smoke going right into the machine. And that way you don't have to breathe all those fumes. And that worked real well. Sanding always creates a lot of dust, and a lot of times you can't even see those particles in the air. So let's give it a try with that. Same setup. Again, you can't really see the small dust particles, but it doesn't take long for them to make their way to the air scrubber. Last, we'll set it up as an exhaust fan, and I think it'll fit better like this. And instead of having a paint booth, we'll just set this up like this. We can paint back there and the fumes will exit, but they'll exit clean. The way this is set up right now is some outside air is able to enter right here through that furnace filter. And again, the dirty air is going to go in there and leave clean. And right now I can't smell any of those fumes because they're all traveling that way. We'll give this a second to tack up and give it another coat. And again, back here, I don't smell any fumes. They're all traveling that way. If you're concerned about clean air in your work environment, the VEVOR Air Scrubber is the perfect solution, at a fraction of the cost of other scrubbers. I hope you enjoyed this video on the VEVOR 550 CFM Portable Air Scrubber with variable speed. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.